question, and the way I would reply is, um, because of the bad habits that I have, I'm overcomplicating things.
Yep.
And what you just said is keep it simple, stupid. That's the way, you know.
I don't like the word stupid.
Well,
Now,
in that case,
and
we'll
here
change.
and, and,
I'll
and
find
here's why.
another. I'll find another meaning for the yes. Then,
I just keep it simple. I don't even need the word stupid in there. Now,
yeah, keep it simple.
now
You're right.
listen. Here's the difference between ignorant and stupid. Ignorant means you just don't know. Right now, I just don't know right now. I'm ignorant of that fact or how to do things. I'm just ignorant. Stupid means incapable of learning. Now, how could I be stupid? Two ways. I'm at the natural limit of my DNA's ability to learn more things. First of all, that's impossible. Or the second one is I'm making a deliberate intention to persist in behaviors that are provably wrong, but I'm not going to change my behavior based on evidence. Refusal to learn is stupid. That is a very special quality that only some people have. Uh, that's a choice. You could choose to be stupid. Ignorance is not a choice. It's just that's where you are on your journey, and a task came along, and nothing in your experience or education or advice prepared you to answer that. You just didn't know. Okay, so you don't have to be right. You just can't stay wrong too long. You know, and so keep it simple. Take one step. Listen, the world is so dynamic and it moves around anyway. The things that are constant is where you are, which is moving, and where you want to go, which is moving. And so each next step is an improvement on where you were and where you're going. So a step in any direction, it actually turns out, is motion and energy and the flywheel effect. Each step leads to another step, and you just got to vector into where your goal is. That's all. So I would just say keep it simple, but don't be stupid. It start accepting where you are and moving on. Listen to Master Shi on the 5 impediments to walking up the hill. It's a lesson that we'll get to in this course. But just find Master Shi and the 5 impediments. Let it rain. Recognize where you are. Accept and acknowledge. Uh, inquire. That's creativity. And then non-identification with that. You are not where you are, or the location, or what you were.
Hmm.
Non-identity with the problem. It's just rain. So let it rain, and listen to him about climbing to the top of the mountain. That's all there is to it. It's one foot after another, and persistence and will, and grinding. In my view, I'm just telling you about what I know from climbing mountains. I'm not saying that's. I don't know how many roads there are up. I only know the ones that I've been on. I've heard other people talk about different ways. All I can do is report on what I'm doing and act like a Sherpa. So that's the Sherpa culture. So